Hello and welcome to June 11th, Alphas KR 29%. What a week. Flat. Nothing's happening. There it is, 29%. We had a good start on Monday, but we're ending in the down lows for Friday. And we do have a dipper low here, so we are still 19 days away. As you can see from the calendar, we're June 11th. So on the close of June 30th, we will then switch to dipper low for the exit because we will have completed the first 30 days to get profit. And if no profit in the first 30 days, we're out. What would that profit be? Well, number one, it would exactly crawl the close above, the touch price has to touch the 41.330, or we reach ROI 100 or even ROI 150. So right now, it looks like the 30-day rule is going to be going along if this continues lagging in between the, excuse me, the entry point to the exit. That said, let's go on to SLB. Excuse me. Wow. Here at SLB, same similar situation. We do have we're getting a dipper though right in here. It's very so tiny. If you can keep your eye right here, let's look at this. The low right here, this word low. Right there is 34.74 and 34.76. So we have a dipper low right there by 2 pennies. That counts. Again, this started on June 1st, so this has to June 1st to July 1st to either complete profit or we switch exit and get out of the trade. Remember, options have time decay. Okay, now look very nicely, Capri. I remember yesterday I was already prepared for Capri to wipe out, and it looks like it's holding on. Look at this. It's let me zoom in here a little closer so we can get some nice visual here. There we go. I was really expecting this to tap out right here, but it didn't. It held on, and we do have a dipper low here. It doesn't count though, because this is still the official 59.90, 51.90 is the official out. Now, once we're able to clear, come Monday or Tuesday of next week, and we're able to get a clear, nice candle out in this region away from the entry point, then we'll be able to move the entry point to the stop to the entry point, which is 55.00, and then wait for again the same rules. Now this happened on June 7th, so as of June 7th, we'll be waiting to see we don't reach profit or exit by June 7th. We'll be looking at dipper lows to get out. Because you give the first 30 days. After the first 30 days, we're out of here. Okay, well, that is the conclusion of the account. We are at 68.47, which, if you can see from the opening slide, that dropped us down to 23. No, it moved us up. We were 21% yesterday, and it moved us up 23.7, and the SPY is still stuck at 13%. So that's that. So let's go on to the scanner. And there's a scanner for downtrend. We're all set up here. Let's go ahead and stretch out the parameters. We are looking at issues from $1 to 400. There are 44 alphas, and the reason we do that is because some of these alphas are very low, and I don't want to miss a chance that they don't get caught by the scanner. We are looking for the alphas, so that will go ahead and run for a downtrend for the alphas, and see we have nothing. Now we'll go ahead and load up today for the uptrend of stochastics. Remember, we're doing the uptrend, and the uptrend means that we're looking for price action in the 10-day EMA. Doesn't matter where the price is at, but the 10 EMA is in the uptrend. That is the foundation for the stochastics to find opportunity. That said, let's go ahead and run that. And again, there's nothing there. So now let's go ahead and see. Like yesterday, I ran the open market, which is what we're going to be going starting in July 1st. All accounts will be allowed to go to open market. So the reason why is we're sitting on a lot of buying power here, but we're not getting a lot of opportunity because the alphas, which is only 44 stocks, don't have anything at this moment. But in the open market, look what happens here. Let's see if we find anything. Now, yesterday we ran it and we had 24 yesterday for the open market yesterday. So let's see what happens here. Hopefully we're not caught in some kind of a loop. It is a lot. We are scanning. This is one thing about scanners. There you go. One thing about scanners. We're going from 5,000. There are 5,000 optionable stocks from $1 to $400 with 200,000 minimum in shares. It drops it down to 33.67, and we came up with 18. And the highest volume today is LB. LB brand will be leading off the pack in the volume. For those who are cost conscious and looking for options that will be cheaper, that still qualify for the strategy, then that'll be uh, Fortress Strategy acquisitions. Now, remember, this is only candidates. They are not anywhere near approved to trade in the options. In options, we would have to go to options, which will be here, and then look at the options chain, and that will do another day. So with that said, we had 18. Remember, this is for educational purposes only, so I'm going to show it to you for the upside, and there it is. There's 18 right there. Then let's go ahead and load up the downside, because remember, we always got to remember that we play both sides of the market. So downtrends, stochastic downtrend, and we're going to switch to the all optionable right there, and then we're going to go and see if there's any in the downtrend side. And again, it's going from 5,000 potentials to for now. I don't know why it would lose 400 by going to the going to the downside, but apparently something algorithm says there's only 4, but we have none. We have none. And with that said, we'll go ahead and conclude today's report of KR at 29%, Stochastics at 23.7, SPY 13, and have a great weekend. Bye bye, and thank you.